This is what it feels like to command your day the moment you rise. To feel your pulse and recognize it as purpose. To say no to many so you can say yes to your chosen few. To tune out the noise so you can tune in to your own wisdom. To sharpen your game because it prepares you for a bigger win. To let creativity flow in ways that surprise even yourself. To shape a reality guided by your imagination. To bask in the unique energy of a city in a renewed world. To know true luxury while securing what's truly priceless. To choose joy. To choose inspiration. To choose yourself. This is what it feels like to live intentionally. Where your mind goes, your life follows. The Velaris Residences North Tower. Life revealed.